Welcome! Today, using an old scrunchie and some watch connectors, we're going to be making an Apple Watch band. Our first step is we're going to take some scissors and just cutting our scrunchie. This is going to allow us to have a straight strip that we're going to be using for our watch band. Remove the elastic and trim if needed. Using a safety pin, thread your elastic back through your scrunchie. If it's easier, you can pin down one end of the elastic so that it stays in place while you thread it through the rest of your scrunchie holder. Now we're going to pin our elastic to the end of our scrunchie holder so that we can sew a seam straight across to hold the elastic in place. Repeat this step for the other side of your scrunchie holder. Once completed, you'll have a long, flat scrunchie. This step may vary depending on your watch connector. For me, I'm going to slowly loop through my scrunchie through the connector. I'm then going to fold the fabric over so there's no raw edges. Fold your fabric edge over so that your watch band connector is at the very end. Pin your fabric in place so you'll be ready to take a seam straight across. Repeat this for your second edge. Trim any loose strings and you're ready to attach your watch band to your watch.